So this is how to do a right leading decrease in brioche. So the main colour is the yellow, the blue is the contrast colour. We're working on the main colour side with the main colour yarn. First thing we're going to do is we're going to slip the next brioche stitch. So this is the main colour knit branch. We're going to slip this knitwise, and then we are going to knit the next stitch. So this is the stitch that we would normally have slipped. So we knit that. We then lift the brioche knit stitch and its wrap over our knit stitch. We slide the knit stitch onto the left hand needle, and we lift the next brioche knit stitch and its wrap over the needle. So we have now reduced 3 stitches into 1, and you can see this has become a right leaning decrease. So the right leaning branch is now lying over the top of the one that's going straight up. That's a right leaning decrease.